In this video, I'll show you legit apps and websites that pay instantly, which are some of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. In this video, I will teach you how to get paid using legit money-making apps and websites. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing to Daily Income, and turn on the notification bell. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it, thus of course make the most money. Now let us get started. First of all, I just want to clarify what instantly means. Well, most of these websites still have payout thresholds. However, I only selected websites that have very low payout thresholds, and instantly comes in the withdrawal process. So whenever you cash out your earnings, you receive your money immediately after a few minutes, or within the same day. And the great thing about all of these apps is I'm able to earn money from using these money-making apps. So that just means that they are legit. So now, the first step on our list is Superpay.me. Superpay.me is an app that's going to pay you instantly for doing different tasks, such as online surveys, downloading apps, playing games, and the likes. There are quite a few tasks that you can do on this website to earn money. They also have a referral program that you can use to generate even more money by inviting your friends and helping them earn money using this money-making app. As you can see here, make money online with the fastest paying survey site, cash out instantly, and that is the part we're looking for. This is an app that I have been using. And I can tell you that after cashing out on my side, I receive the payments directly to my PayPal account after a few minutes. So it is indeed the 5th fastest paying site, almost instantly. Cash out instantly, from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and gift cards. That's another good thing about this money-earning app. There are different payment options, so if PayPal isn't available in your country, you can choose to receive your payments through crypto, Skrill, or through gift cards. With that said, I want you to comment down below, and let me know from which country you are watching this video from, so that I may create content suitable for that region. As well, in that way I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. In continuation, the payment threshold is only $1. You can literally reach $1 in just a day, or a few hours, if you are determined with this website, and for all the apps that I'll be sharing here today. I will leave links in the description below so you can find them easier. Now moving on with the second app on our list is Surveytime.io. Surveytime.io is where you make money by taking different surveys. This one takes the instant part to the extreme, because as soon as you finish taking a survey, they pay you instantly, and they've got different payout options. As well, they have PayPal, which is what I use. They also have Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, and so on. With that said, I want you to comment down below, and let me know what payment method you prefer, and I'll try to make videos about that, as well. Additionally, they also have a very good referral program. So they will give you a link that you can share around. And whenever someone uses this website through your link, you get paid. The best part is you get paid the same amount of money that the people you refer are making, and that makes it a very good referral program. Moving on with the third app on our list is Oftenation.com. Nation.com is another money-making app, which has a very low payout threshold, just like with Superpay.me. Moreover, they are from the same company, so you get paid as soon as you reach $1. They have different payment options as well, such as Skrill, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, PayPal, and Tango Card, and they also pay instantly. Now the fourth app on our list is Citizenme.com. It does not pay that much, but they have the lowest payment threshold of only 0.1 euros. Moreover, they will pay you instantly straight into your PayPal account without any hassle whatsoever. Of all the apps on our list, I would say Citizenme.com and Surveytime.io are the fastest paying apps, because you'll receive your money almost instantly. Moving on with the fifth app on our list is Earnable.com. Earnable.com is one of the fastest paying money earning apps with a very low payout threshold. Earnable will pay you as soon as you reach $1. Just like all the other ones, and it is this app that we're looking at here. Digital rewards and gift cards made easy. As you can see here, all you have to do to earn instant rewards is to complete tasks, watch videos, and take surveys. It's super easy. And then as you scroll down, you can see here the instant rewards that you can earn, including PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and the likes. Now the sixth app on our list is one of my favorite apps, because I used this app a lot, and I'm able to earn decent money with this one. And this app is called Instig.com. Instig.com is a worldwide website that will pay you for taking surveys. And it is this app that we're looking at here, so you'll earn points for things you do online, such as completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. The tasks available depend on whether users are coming from. In South Africa, for instance, you can't earn points by watching videos or shopping online. You can only do so by completing surveys, and so on. However, in other countries you can do all of these stuff to earn points. Now with this money-making app you can cash out as soon as you reach $1. You can check out their point system yourselves by heading over to this website, and that's all there is to it. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here, for you to discover the best way to earn money online 2022, which is one of the best ways to make money online today. Bye.